Pancake lovers out there, listen up. We've got some big news for you about one of your favorite breakfast foods. We're going to be showing you a secret ingredient that goes into your pancakes to amp up your protein game, right?
Hell yeah.
All right, and in the kitchen with me, we've got a personal trainer and Optimum Nutrition sponsored athlete, Alex Carnero. Great to have you in the kitchen with me, buddy.
Thanks for having me here.
Okay, so this morning it is all about some protein pancakes. We're going to be using gold standard 100% whey birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
What? Protein pancakes. Okay, so let's show everybody at home how to make them. So we've got just your typical pancake mix, your egg, your milk, your water that you need, obviously, to make your pancakes, but then the special ingredients.
This is a special ingredient. So this is 100% whey gold standard birthday cake flavored.
Show the people at home.
How
Show everyone.
sparkly and beautiful it is.
You can see the sprinkles in there. I mean, look at the color. So good. Okay,
beautiful.
So pour it on in there.
So let's mix that.
Yeah, give it a little whisk.
Let's get it.
And we already have our griddle going, right?
Yeah.
So it's warming up. Y'all, I don't want to get any.
It looks amazing.
So I don't want to get any. Oh my gosh, it really legit smells like
and
a
it looks
cupcake.
like birthday cake too.
It does.
It looks like birthday cake.
Vanilla cake, so good. Okay, so why is protein so important to our diets?
So protein is really, really important in our
Yeah.
diets, okay? It helps rebuild and it helps also preserve muscle tissue. In addition to that, it also helps with weight management, which is super important. And also, as we grow older, we lose muscle tissue. So any type of protein helps you preserve lean muscle tissue. So that's why it's so important to us.
So good, okay. So that also, I guess, would be why you're gonna put a little coconut oil on there?
Yeah, we're gonna put that a little bit so it doesn't stick, you know? That way you can flip it and have no problems with it.
Yes, we gotta have nice golden pancakes here. While you're putting some of that mix on the griddle, debunk some of those myths about incorporating protein into your diet.
Right, so, you know, we have so many myths in the fitness industry, and one of them is that protein makes women and endurance athletes bulky, which is not true. Bulkiness means eating a lot of calories and having an excessive training regimen. So it's far from the truth. So endurance athletes, women, anyone who wants an active lifestyle, or even in general, should be consuming protein.
Absolutely. You got to keep that protein in there. And then, of course, the protein powder that we're talking about here is the gold standard 100% whey protein. So that is right here, guys. Tell us a little bit about this protein powder.
This is an amazing, amazing product. So this is 24 grams of protein per scoop, right? Which is unbelievable.
Holy cow.
It also helps, as I mentioned, to build muscle and preserve muscle tissue. One of the coolest things, though, is that this is the #1 sold whey protein powder on Amazon.com.
Sweet.
#1.
Wow.
Yeah. And I recommend, you know, everyone should be drinking this or eating it right before or and after exercise.
Awesome. Okay, so let's see how our pancake's doing over there.
It's
Now, if
getting there,
pancake isn't something that you could work into your morning routine, or maybe it's something that you say for the weekend, what are some other ways that we can work in the whey protein?
Right. So when we think of whey protein, usually people think, oh, I just have to drink it, right? But as you can see, we're making a phenomenal, awesome, delicious tasting recipe with this. And anyone who's interested, you can always go to optimumnutrition.com and find more recipes to cook.
Awesome. And it also comes in other flavors as well. Can we flip that pancake?
Let's
do it. And guys, we have okay, maybe we didn't wait long enough. We got to work on our pancake skills, but luckily we got some folks here to help us out. Hey, this is what your pancakes are supposed to look like. And y'all, I can't believe the smell. It smells so good. I wish we had some smell-o-vision going on here. So these are those birthday pancakes using that whey protein powder. So shall we give it a taste?
Let's do it.
Oh wait, I'm a Southern girl. Pass the syrup.
Yeah,
Don't even.
Syrup.
Give me the syrup.
There you go.
Throw some syrup on here.
So this is only 118 calories.
Well, depending upon your toppings, of course.
Right.
I mean, I'm going to town. Girlfriend's going to put some powdered sugar on here. Alex, I'm getting into this, buddy. Okay, I love.
So as you mentioned, it depends on what you add to it, but the recipe itself is 118 calories. It's only about 6 grams of protein, only 19 grams of carbs, and only 1 to 2 grams of fat. So
good.
And it's so easy to make.
That's a great, easy way to work in your
So easy to
protein,
make and so fast. You saw it just took no minute.
Oh my gosh, so good. Oh,
amazing.
That is thebomb.com. So good. You can give the protein powder a try.
You can get it right here on Amazon.com. And here's the beauty. As I said, there's 20 different amazing flavors.
So good.
So you can go here on Amazon.com and choose whatever favorite flavor you want to make this recipe.
Awesome, and we got them down below in our carousel. So next up we've got the gold standard 100% casein. What does that do? So the casein is right here, guys. Show us how we can use this and incorporate it into our routine.
So we're gonna make ice cream.
What?
We're gonna make ice cream with this.
Okay.
So 100% whey gold
whisk this.
casein. Basically, it's a slow digesting protein. It's also 24 grams of protein. It may support weight management, which is amazing. And it's great before bedtime. And that weight management, it helps because it keeps you fuller during the day.
Great, we love that. But then also whenever you throw it in some ice cream. So this is the chocolate supreme flavor.
So this is the magic key ingredient right here, the 100 casein.
The casein right
Yeah.
there. So in the bowl, guys, we've got some milk, we've got Greek yogurt, we've got cocoa powder, and then we've got glucomannan, which is added in there as well. Then, of course, the secret ingredient, the 100% casein. So
and
we're
this
gonna
is
whisk
chocolate
that.
supreme.
Yes.
Right? Again, there's other flavors that they can go on Amazon.com and get more flavors of their choice.
Well, and even easier, guys, of course, you can go to Amazon.com, but just check it out below in our carousel. Shopping is made so easy with these deals that we're serving up today on Prime Day. Every 5 minutes, we'll be revealing new deals for you. And, of course, the Optimum Nutrition is included for Prime members on this Prime Day deal. Okay, so we got that whisked up.
Yeah, so
that's
this
your
is
ice
also
cream.
very low calorie. You know, this is half a cup is 78 calories, which is amazing.
Awesome.
So the nutritional effects are awesome.
Okay, so here's what your ice cream would look like before throwing it into the freezer. We're gonna do a little DIY action. So if you don't have an ice cream maker at home, this is what you can do. Okay, you have a Ziploc baggie. Let's put the ingredients in there. All right, rock and roll, little DIY action in the kitchen. This is something fun for the family, maybe a fun date night activity.
It's awesome
for the kids. Yes. Okay, so then clearly we got to you seal up the bag.
Seal it. Yeah, you got to seal it.
Seal up the bag, and then in a separate Ziploc baggie, you're going to have ice. You're also going to add salt in a separate Ziploc baggie. You're going to add the closed Ziploc container in the ice bag, right? Put it into the fridge, or excuse me, not the fridge, the freezer, for about 10 minutes for like some soft serve ice cream. And you're gonna make sure before you throw it in the freezer though, give it a nice little mush. You put it in there, you let it hang out for 10 minutes or so, as I said.
Yeah, how about that?
Yeah? Okay, let's clean up because you gotta tidy up
and
the
this
kitchen.
recipe should make about 6 cups of ice cream, guys.
6?
6 cups of ice cream.
Awesome sauce,
Yeah.
and voila, there you have it.
It's 78 calories, 2 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbohydrates, and 9 grams of protein.
No way.
Yeah, so you're getting your protein in.
Protein-packed ice cream right there, and of course we just garnished it with some raspberries and blueberries. But you can
amazing.
do whatever your jam is.
Go ahead, Rachel. Awesome, right?
That is so good.
And you just made this at home, right? You don't need to go out.
Easy breezy.
You stay at home. You have fun with the family, fun with the kids.
And it's packing protein in there.
It's packing protein.
So guys, for these additional recipes and so much more, you can check out the Optimum Nutrition website.
That's right.
Sorry, I've got ice cream. I'm going to town this morning. We're not done just yet, though, guys.
Not yet.
We've got the Optimum Nutrition Amino Energy with green tea and green coffee extract. So that's right here. Tell us about this one right here. What is
This is one of my favorite products, Rachel.
Yeah.
So you can use this anytime during the day. It's 100 milligrams per serving.
Okay.
Like you mentioned, it's green tea extracts and green coffee.
Not too much caffeine, though,
Not too much, right?
Just enough?
Yeah, and it's got so many amazing flavors. And I always tell someone, if you're going to be using caffeine, make sure you know how much you're using throughout the day.
Right.
But it's only 100 milligrams of caffeine a day.
Cool.
Drink it anytime that you need that energy. It's awesome. The flavors you can make, just like I said, on the recipes.
Yeah.
You can make ice cream, you can make popsicles, you can make gummy bears,
You
whatever
name it, you can
want.
make it. So good. And lastly, we've got some vitamins there, the Opti Women multivitamin. And of course, you can check those out, and even multivitamins for the guys down below in our carousel. And guys, check this out. All Optimum Nutrition products are available, of course, in that carousel. But that's not it, because all these Optimum Nutrition products have a 20% Prime member exclusive coupon for Prime Day. So be sure to click the coupon on the detailed page. That detailed page is below in our carousel to be sure to get that discount. You want to get in on that. Alex, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, bringing the protein to the kitchen.
Protein in your diet.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, well, at the next top hour, guys, we're revealing more big deals. So stay with us. Hang out. Yes. Okay, shall we? I'm in love with it. Give me more pancakes. They're so good.